So you are tuned into the Music and Culture podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really appreciate that time. If you're first time, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Hey, so Makhadzi has arrived in the US. She's gone to Los Angeles to attend the BET Awards. The BET Awards are happening on the 30th of June. That's going to be a Sunday. This is actually a first BET nomination, so it's a big milestone for Makhadzi. She's been nominated under that category, Viewers' Choice Best International Act category, and she's not the only South African in that category. There's Tyler ICU also nominated in that category, but the other Tyler is nominated under the Best International Act category. She's also the Tyler. But Makhadzi has already beat Tyler at the Metros in April. I don't know if you guys remember. I don't know if you guys remember when Makhadzi won the Best Female Artist at the Metros, beating Tyler and Kamompela there. So it looks like things are going well for Makhadzi. Even her latest album is doing well, guys. If you check the songs that are in that album are performing well. Even her singles are doing well. I mean, songs like Litswai is just went gold. Niazifa is platinum. Mapara is multi-platinum. Hey, what else? Movie is also gone platinum. But number one has gone double platinum, guys. So, big achievement for Makhadzi. And she's achieving all of this. And she's achieving all of this under her own record label. So, big ups to Makhadzi. You remember she parted ways with Open Mic Productions after there were a lot of problems, a lot of troubles from a point of view, monetary wise. So she's now representing herself, Makhadzi, under her own record label, Makhadzi Entertainment, and she's doing all of this, achieving all of this. So we just hope that she's gonna come back with an award at the BET. But before she went to Los Angeles, her team actually held a send-off ceremony of some sort, where they also revealed all these milestones with regard to her latest album, which songs have gone platinum and which albums have gone platinum, So it's all good for Makhadzi, and kudos to her and all the best. Hopefully she'll come back and with an award to represent Africa. We know that Makhadzi is going to represent well. She's going to represent Africa very well. She's going to represent South Africa very well. She's also going to represent Limpopo very well. So we are all rooting for her. Well done, Makhadzi, and all the best. So we're going to leave it here. If you're new to the channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment. Whatever makes sense for you, just do it. Legeremina, salute, mengatiti